Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody just sent me a message on Facebook, or not on Facebook, on my YouTube video, that he was getting fill and he was going. I have made another video just like that. So with nothing selected, if you will go right down here and edit your fill and put, we're gonna make a fill, we're gonna make it red, we're gonna say okay, and then it's go to graphics. So this is his problem. He's gonna have this every time he uses a graphic tool. I don't care what it is, a polygon, a star, it's going to fill it in. So with nothing selected, go to edit fill and go right here and put OK, and then it's going to come up there and it's going to say graphic. So he's been doing that, but it's still not working. So I don't totally understand. But I'm not going to say a better way, but maybe try this also. Go to Windows, Dockers, Object Properties, and right here is your fill. With nothing selected, put no fill. It's going to come up with that same box. And now we should have no fill. And the object property is pretty cool because you can change your pen line, transparency that I never use. You know, there's a bunch of different things you can change. But with nothing selected, you can change your pen. And I've got mine set on hairline red, and then you could also, you know, doctor it up with dots, but very easily you can make that black. You just cursor up the black and then hit that, and then when you draw in a square, it's going to make it black. Now, one of his questions was, and I might totally understand it, he was having trouble changing it RGB. This should be RGB because your colors over here are RGB. And especially if you're a laser engraver, you want RGB. If it came up with different defaults like CMYK, you don't want that. You want to check right there and go to RGB. And like per se, mine are under my palettes, RGB. And now I've got RGB. So I'm going to save this back to red. And then we should be good to go. And then when you draw a square, it should be red. I didn't change it. Maybe I didn't click on it good enough. There we go. Whoop, I hit yellow. So now, well, I've had something selected. So don't have anything selected. Go down to red. And then when you click on it, you're going to get that box. And then when it's changed, every line you draw will be red hairline with no fill. Now, pretty important, I'd go up to Tools and Save as Default, and then the next time you turn Corel Draw on, everything should be set. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.